Hello, welcome. My name is Miss Smith. I'm your English teacher. Are you ready to learn English grammar? Let's start with sentences and punctuation marks. Remember that a sentence is a group of words that makes sense and communicates meaning. A is boy he. I don't know what that means. It's a group of words, but it doesn't make any sense. He is a boy. This is a group of words that does make sense, and I can understand exactly the meaning that this sentence communicates. A sentence can be a statement, a command, a question, or an exclamation. A statement ends with a period. A command ends with a period. A question ends with a question mark. An exclamation ends with an exclamation point. Let's look at some examples. But before we do, let's talk about a word that you have already heard and are going to hear a lot more. The word is ends. The end is the final part of something. In this picture, this man is at the end of the line. He is the final person in the line. In this example, this dot shows that the video is at the end. It's all done. It's finished. And in this example, he is a boy. The final part of this sentence is the punctuation. And the punctuation marks that we are going to learn about today all go at the end of the sentence. Now, let's look at the examples. My name is Gia. This is a statement. It ends with a period. Remember that a statement is a sentence that gives information. Listen. This is a command. It ends with a period. Remember that a command is a sentence that tells someone what to do. What's your name? This is a question. It ends with a question mark. Remember that a question is a sentence that asks something. Welcome, Jorge. This is an exclamation. It ends with an exclamation point. Remember that an exclamation is a sentence that tells information in an excited way. There are two types of sentences that give information: a statement and an exclamation. The difference is the tone used for each, or how you say what you say. See if you can tell which of these is a statement and which is an exclamation. Keftali is home. Come on in. Keftali is home. Come on in. Which one do you think was a statement and which one do you think was an exclamation? If you said that A was a statement and B was an exclamation, then you are correct. Okay, now it's your turn. Let's look at some examples. Sit down. What type of sentence is this? Which punctuation mark do we use? Hey, Mike! What type of sentence is this? Which punctuation mark do we use? What's your first name? What type of sentence is this? Which punctuation mark do we use? My name is Miss Smith. What type of sentence is this? Which punctuation mark do we use? Well done. You have made it to the end of this video. Feel free to watch it again if you need to.